video from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to calculate the amount and compound interest based on various criteria given. Let's see the first example. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Okay, solution. Let's see the given first. So principal. So we'll always denote this principal as P, that is rupees 10,000, and rate of interest as R, and it is 8% per annum. It's given, and number of years is 1 year, and it's given compounded half yearly. So we know that when it is compounded half yearly, our rate of interest we have to half it, that is R equal to R divided by 2, and number of years will be doubled. So it is N equal to 2 into N. So now it's given rate of interest is 8%. So now if it is 8% divided by 2, then our rate of interest will be 4% for compounded half yearly. The number of years is 2 into N. So here N is given 1 year. So 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 years. So now we know that amount equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100, the whole power N. So this is the formula to find the amount when compounded half yearly. So now we can directly substitute the values. So P is 10,000 into 1 plus R is 4 divided by 100 to the whole power 2. Now we can simplify this. 4 divided by 100 as 1 divided by 25, and it's again simplified as 26 divided by 25. So 10,000 into 26 divided by 25 the whole square. Now I am rewriting that equation. So 10,000 into 26 divided by 25 into 26 divided by 25. So amount equal to, if you simplify this, you will get 10,860. So this is the amount. Now our question, we want to find compound interest also. So we know that compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount we have calculated it now. So it's 10,860 minus the principal, it's given 10,000. So the compound interest is rupees 860. So thus the amount in compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly is rupees 10,816, and the interest is rupees 816. The next example is Kamala borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? Okay, so they have given a hint also. Find amount for 2 years with interest is compounded yearly, and then find the simple interest on the second year amount for 4.5 years. Okay, so now we'll follow the same hint. Okay, solution. First let's write the given. So it's given principal P equal to 26,400. Then rate of interest R is 15% per annum. And the number of years given is N equal to 2 years, 4 months compounded yearly. Okay, so in the question, it's given first we will compute the compound interest for 2 years first and then for 4 months. Okay. So now we know that amount equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100, the whole power N. Since we are going to compound it for 2 years, then we can take N as 2 and we are going to substitute whatever is given in the formula. So P is 26,400 into 1 plus R is 15%. So 15 divided by 100, the whole square. If you simplify this, you will get the amount as rupees 34,914. Okay, so now this is the amount after 2 years. Now the simple interest for 4 months will be calculated, and for that we can take this amount as the principal amount, that is 34,914 is the principal amount. Now we use the simple interest formula, P into R into N divided by 100 for 4 months. Okay, so number of months is 4, but we have taken N in number of years, so we want to convert months into years first. So 4 divided by 12 years. Now we are going to substitute it. So here the principal is 34,914 into rate of interest is 15 into number of years is 4 divided by 12 into 100. Okay, so if you simplify this, you will get the interest for 4 months as rupees 1,745.7. So we know that total amount equal to principal plus interest. So the principal is 34,914 plus the interest is 1,745.7. So the total amount will be 36,659.70. So this is the amount she has to pay to clear the loan. Next example is Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest. And Radha borrows the same amount for same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? So here two different questions. One is simple interest and the other one is compound interest. First we will do for simple interest. Okay, so Fabina is getting it for simple interest. So the principal is amount rupees 12,500. The rate of interest is 12% and it is number of years is 3 years. So we know that simple interest formula is P into R into N divided by 100. So we can directly substitute this. So 12,500 into 12%, that is 12 into 3 divided by 100. So if you simplify that, you will get the simple interest as rupees 4,500. So the interest paid by Fabina is rupees 4,500. Now we will move on for compound interest, that's by Radha. So the same principal 12,500, but the rate of interest here is 10% per annum compounded annually. The number of years is same, 3 years. So now we know that amount equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole to the power N. So this is the formula for calculating amount using compound interest. Now we can directly substitute all the given. So the principal is 12,500 into 1 plus rate of interest is 10%. So 10 divided by 100. Number of years is 3. So the whole power 3. So if you simplify this, you will get only the amount, that is 16,637.50. But you want to find the compound interest. So we know that compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So the compound interest for Radha is 16,637.50 minus the principal is 12,500. So you will get 4,137.50. So the interest paid by Radha is 4,137.50. So who is greater? So the interest paid by Fabina is greater than Radha. She pays rupees 4,500. So how will you find the difference? So Fabina's interest minus Radha interest. So Fabina is 4,500 minus Radha is 4,137.5. So the difference is 362.50. So hence Fabina pays rupees 362.50 more interest than Radha. Hope you have understood how to calculate the simple interest, compound interest using formulas, and if it is compounded annually or half yearly. Thank you for watching the video.